What's up, everybody? So I'm back with another YouTube video. I'm gonna do another YouTube video tomorrow, Saturday, tomorrow, for a car show. I went to car wash to clean my truck, get it ready for tomorrow, and I didn't realize there was a truck meet in Middletown, Delaware tonight. So I'm gonna say screw it and record it. It's kind of packed here. Actually, it's packed here. So more content the better. So I'm gonna go out here and make some content for YouTube. So stay tuned. Peace.
If you ain't dumping me, when are you doing it?
Buddy.
Jesus Christ.
Bro, why is it getting so wild out here, dude? Like, brother. Alright. Alright. Bro, this is the rowdiest shit I've ever been. Yeah, that. Alright. And you got that guy repping. There's so much going on. Another truck doing a burnout. Like, bro, what is going on right now?
Bitches get money.
Okay, I can't put that in there. I can't put that in there. It don't matter. Got hit?
Yeah, we're fucking rolling.
There's so much going on. I can't walk anywhere without my feet.
They don't care.
Yeah. Is he doing a reverse? Is it forward? Never mind. So much shit going on right now. Man, it's fucking wild, dude. But I just started recording. Not the Danger Ranger. The Ranger shut off? Oh no, it's still. Oh! Simmer down, buddy.
What made all the smoke? Not the Ranger.
Oh! One tire fire.
We can leave the chat. Oh my god, it's on fire. What? It's on fire.
Is it?
I told him the lifters were coming.
I haven't been to.
Dude, this truck's like actually on fire.
I haven't been to Middletown in a long time.
Come on, take the 350 out there. Come on.
No! No! I'm not doing it right.
Oh, that bitch is piling.
It wasn't. Ah! I got shot in the face.
Man down. 11:30. Hip in distress.
There's so much going on right now. Oh shit. What the fuck?
He's in reverse.
Oh, buddy. He doesn't.
He got that camera and he don't have
Yeah.
That's what happens when you get camera.
This YouTube video is gonna be fucking.
Oh my god!
The fuck is going? You're good. Oh my god.
Crash!
Oh my god, dude. Ah, she balled down. Ah. I can't tell what's doing on mine. Oh, yeah. Go.
Subscribe to Danny Door, bro. He got the cleanest OBS, cleanest cateye out.
Okay.
Hit him up. He's out here at the truck meets. He's outside tonight.
So that's the end of this video. I got a car show tomorrow that I'm gonna record. I don't really go to truck meets anymore, but that shit was wild, dude. Like, it was just non-stop stuff going on. So I had fun. And I went to the car wash and I was like, no, screw it, I'm gonna go to that. So that was Middletown, Delaware. I'm beat, dude. I had to stop a while to get me some food. But yeah, I'm gonna do this video while I eat my food, and then I got the one in Centerville tomorrow that I'm recording. So thanks again for watching, people, and see you on the next one. Peace.